All right, so I'm gonna teach you guys just a little bit how to do a small graffiti piece. So we're first gonna start with your tag. It's just your whatever word you wanna do written in. So I'd pick 4 letters, just any word you want. So now, what you can do if you want, you can move your letters closer together, squish them, make them longer, whatever you want. Then we're gonna do, it's called boxing your letters up. You basically just draw a rectangle around the line. See? We're gonna do highlights first. So take a white, we're gonna draw a little sun up in the corner. Whichever corner you want, it can be down here, anywhere. It doesn't have to be fancy or anything, it's just to help you decide where the highlights and shadows will go. And then whatever the light would hit on the letters, we put a white line. All right, so now we're gonna do the drop shadow. Wherever there isn't white, there's gonna be a shadow. So the shadow is just this, but moved over a little bit and down. Okay, so for the background, what we do is you just make a whole bunch of little circles and then color them in. So we'll have a circle here, 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 like that. And it doesn't have to go all the way around it. It can just peek up in the corners, right? So now, for the final part, we'll just add little details to the letters. So one thing I like to do is I like to just add like a line or something right here, and maybe another one right here. You can also add shapes. You can add you can outline a corner. You want to do this with the color that you use to outline. So you do it in black and you do it in black too. You could also do it with the background color if you wanted to. Congratulations guys, you made your first graffiti piece.